Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I made this beautiful bag you are seeing here. You don't want to miss any detail of this video, so kindly stay tuned and let's dive right into the video. So you will need your scissors for cutting, your beads, and your fishing line. So I'm using 0.7 mm. So let's start. I'll start by picking 4 beads and I will cross the 4th one. Hold the ends together to make sure they are equal. And next, you pick 3 beads, one on the left, one on the right, and then you cross the 3rd bead. Repeat the second step. That is, you pick 3 beads, one on the left fishing line, one on the right fishing line, and then you cross the 3rd bead. So we have 3 now, but we need 9. Okay, so I will come back to show you when I have the 9, and then we'll continue with the next step. So I have the 9 now. Okay, so the next thing is to turn to start the second line. So I'll pick 3 beads, fix 2 beads on my left fishing line, and then I'll cross the 3rd bead. Yes, so we have 10 now. So to start the second line, you pick 3 beads, fix 2 on your left fishing line, and then you cross the 3rd bead. So next you enter the next bead. Okay, so I'll enter this bead here and pick 2 beads. So if you pick 2, you cross the 2nd bead. Okay, enter the next bead and pick 2. Okay, so this is how I'm going to continue till I get to the end, and then we'll come back and show you how to turn to start the 3rd line. Okay, so I will enter the last bead, and then on the same fishing line that I entered the bead with, I'll fix 1 bead on it. That is, I'll pick 2 beads and fix 1 bead on that fishing line, and I'll cross the 2nd bead. So the fishing line in our left hand right now, I'll fix 3 beads on it and I'll cross the 3rd bead to start the 3rd line. If you want to know more of the bead pattern, I have a video specifically for that, so I'll leave the link in the description box. So I'm going to continue like this till I get my desired length. Okay, So I'm entering the last bead. Then I'll fix two beads on my left fishing line, and because I'm done with it, I'll just tie some few knots and then enter the beads with the rest of the fishing line. That's the excess fishing line. Then you can cut it off. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this part is 25. Okay, so the dimensions are 10 by 25. That is using the beads on the side to count it. So now I'll count 10 and fold. Okay, and count 5, which will be the base, and fold. So this is the size of our bag. So now we are moving on to closing the side. So I'll enter these two beads here, my fishing line, and pick two beads. I will enter the next bead and pick two again. So next I will enter the next two beads. So the one that I have just entered together with this one. So these two beads. And here I'll just pick one and cross it. I'll enter the next bead, as you can see, and then pick two. So I'll allow you to watch from here, and then I will come in when I have to explain something. So I'll enter these two beads here. That's the next gold and the white. And then I'll fix one bead on the fishing line that I entered the bead with, as you can see. And then I'll use that same fishing line to enter this bead here. Correct. So this one. And I'll enter these two beads. So one and then two. And then enter the second bead, the one that I am entering. Okay. And then use the other fishing line to also cross it to the other side. I'll repeat this so you get to understand it more. So next I'll pick three. So as you can see, sorry, I have skipped one bead and then I'm starting on the second one. So I have picked three and then I'll cross the third bead. Enter the next bead and pick two. And because we left one at the beginning, we are leaving one too. So I'll enter the next bead, this one. And with that same fishing line, I'll fix two beads on it. And enter this bead, okay? And still with the same fishing line, I will enter these three beads, okay? 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3. And then use the other fishing line to cross the same bead to the other side. And I'll pick 3 and tie it because we are ending this side. Okay, so you just tie it and you enter the beads with the excess fishing line. So I went ahead and did the other side as well. So what we are going to do next is our handle. So I'll just do one cross, and that is you pick three, one on the left, one on the right, and then you cross the third one. That is what I'm going to do the handle. Okay. So if you are okay with the length, then go ahead and fix one bead on each side. But we are not picking another bead to cross with it. We are crossing it with this bead here. So the single bead on the other side, the top one. So you can choose to enter it with both fishing line and then you enter few beads with the excess fishing line. So this is how our bag will be looking. Okay, so let me enter the beads with the excess fishing line, okay, so that we get to know the final product. Okay, so this is our final product. This is our final product. So kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.